Let's have a quick discussion about the news, global news, and we'll be seeing the upcoming news for the week, and we'll be go through the high priority news. High priority news denotes in the red, medium priority news denotes in the yellow color, and if you see the gray color will be there mostly on those days market is used to be closed. Today is Jan 1st, 2026. You'll see all the banks are having holiday. So this is the reason why it has shown in the gray color. Also, let's have a look into the weekly data, and we'll be seeing the uh, high priorities data for this week, current week. And to make that, we have to create a account or login. It will be good if you have account. Otherwise, there is an option that you can see by the filter only. So let for an example, we are just eliminating the other data and we are taking the high priority and medium priority data with all the currency and all these event type. You'll see Jan 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, mostly not having any data. But from the Monday next week onwards, it will be USD manufacturing data. So this ISM manufacturing data used to state that how much manufacturers having reported on this business, what is the manufacture of the condition of the countries. So it used to collect all the data from the manufacturing industry, what is the uh, final product and how much forecasted, and we'll see how much is expected. So this column used to be say as a forecast column. So previously it was 48.2 and currently it is 48.4 forecasted. Let's see how much coming on the next Monday. So last time this manufacturing index came down 48.2, but it has been forecasted to 49.0. Also, let's have other data. So we'll see there is also same day, same time manufacturing price also there in US. So you'll be finding all the manufacturing means what is the price has increased or not on the same day. So from the next day, German the prelim CPI, this is consumer price index. So how consumers is buying and what is the price has increased or not. So it is medium impacted, and the last time also forecast equal to the actual value. This time it has been not forecasted. Let's see what is coming on the 6th. So treasury currency report of USD, it has not been forecasted, but Australia having CPI and CPI month over month and CPI year over year. Oh, but already it has been uh, uh, populated for the November, but for the November there is no forecast. For the December also zero CPI year over year. Named mean CPIs. Well, if you wanted to see what is this CPI, you can have a dreamed mean CPI consumer price index. What is the meaning of this? Average change in the price paid by consumers. Trimmed mean CPI is a core inflation measure that removes extreme price movement, very high and very low changes each month before calculating inflations, month over month comparisons. Trimmed means it is some price, fuel, vegetables can be very volatile. Trimmed means CPI. Shortfall of CPI components price changes. Trimmed a fixed percentage from the top and bottom. Calculate the average of the remaining middle price changes. Simple instructions. Trimmed means CPI month over month and underlying consumer spread. This is straight. But that 30 product we need to have a look into this. Changing the price of trade, excluding the most volatile 30% of the item. What are the 30%? What are these 30%? 30% item. Like fuel vegetable instead of actual fresh vegetable. It is calculated fresh every month based on the price movement. How the 30% determine important. All CPI components, goods and services are listed with their monthly price changes. They are sorted from lower price to higher price. 15% from the bottom and 15% the top. Okay. The middle safety budget to calculate trimmed means API. Okay. So it has been trimmed from both of the end. So 30% simply means that most extreme price movement that my month. Example of one. It means a frequency trimmed height of electricity. So in the European and US countries, electricity price used to be changed daily. Electricity, gas, those prices used to be trade. Those are the tradable instruments instead of India, where we are India having a fixed electric cost per unit. Fresh fruit, airfares, holidays, travel package, gold, precious metals, fre- frequently trimmed, high volatility, occasional trimmed, meat and eggs, milk, mobile data plans, educational fee, insurance, premium. But in India, if you see, airline airfares are also frequently trimmed. Gold also, because every day we fluctuate. But cooking oil rare in India. Also, fresh vegetables changes not so much fluctuated being in India. Electric gases that is very stable in India. Fuel, petrol price, diesel, these are very stable items. In a month or a year, max to max, we can see in a year 3, 4 changes, and in a month more. Rarely one changes. We'll to see very um, often. Okay, that's let's continue this trimmed mean CPI. Then core CPI flash estimate. CPI flash estimate. This is Eurozones. Here we have seen for the AUD. AUD means that it is when it is for Australia. AUD, Australian dollar, and Eurozones. In the USD there is ADP non-farm employment changes. So this is a high priority news, and also forecasted 50K positive jobs got added in the non-farming employment. It's including all the techs, all the IT, and it has been highly forecasted. This is the major data points on which the gold, the every market used to be reacted. If you see the historical price of these, that will be in the 2020 there is a huge downside. Minus was there. So after that there is a average minus is going on. This time there is a huge forecast of positive sign. employment got added. Let's see mm, how much it is coming. It will impact the market. And this levy PMI also. Let's have a look into this. What is this levy PMI? Purchasing Manager Index, country Canada, published by Levy Business School. Currency impact mainly affect Canadian dollar. Okay, and production new orders. PMI tracks to month changes. Purchasing Manager across Canada's production new order inventories, employment suppliers deliverable. Above 50 economy expansion, below 50 economy contraction. Insert 50 no changes. Levy PMI 56 strong economic growth. Levy PMI economics slow down. So it's more than 50. This is 50 the basic point. While Levy PMI important, cover that both manufacturing and service. What are that many PMIs? Highly sensitive to economic turning point, faced by traders, Bank of Canada, economists. PMI manufacturing versus manufacturing PMI. Uh, PMI manufacturing cross services, but manufacturing PMI manufacturing only. Geography Canada wide, and volatility higher, more stable. Target impact higher than expected, Canadian strength, lower than expected, seasonally adjusted, still EVPMI. Let's see, have a look into this USD CAD. And this has been forecasted on this Jan 7, 8:30 p.m. Jan 7, Jan 7. Jan 7 means it will be here only. So here it has been forecasted. Let's see. It is the USD Canadian dollar. Okay, let's focus on the other remaining ones. ISM service PMI. It will be. It is really high impact thing. Let's see what is this ISM service PMI. Institute for Supply Management Service Purchasing Manager Index, key factor, country, US, United States, published by Institute for Supply Management, country, policy, US dollar, release frequency monthly, its business condition in the US service sector, which includes retail banking, finance, air transportation, hospitality, IT, and professional service. Service may percentage 20% US economy, so that it is very important. Objective you this changing manager index country on state published by institute to supply management effect track business condition in the US service sector, which includes retail, banking, finance, healthcare, transportation, hospitality, IT, professional service. 70% of the US economy, so the data is very important. So this is ISM service PMI. It is including retail, banking, healthcare, transportation, hospitality, IT, and professional service. So this is the important data we are going to see. It is also survey ISM service PMI. It's more than 50 and less than 50. It is for US, but we are seeing that Levy PMI for Canadian yesterday. And George job opening. Let's see what is this meaning of George job opening. George opening refer to the job opening and labor turnover survey published by the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. Country United States, country impacted, release monthly, usually within 1 month lag. Job opening, the number of unified jobs at the end of the month, employer are actively trying to fill. Job, jobs also includes hires and how many quits from the company, layoffs, total separations, how it is improved. So here job opening, strong labor demand, but it's a slow job opening, cooling labor market, stay threshold, measure model pay. Okay, let's finish the remaining thing. CHF, CPI month over month. It is Switzerland. CPI month over month. Also, there is a USD unemployment claim. This is the high priority in news. So mostly in this month.